And now we're in the bedroom. Yes, it is a mess. The bed has not been made simply because I'm actually getting ready to go to bed. And this just totally popped into my head because I was like, oh wait, did I film the hotel room yet? So yeah, stupid, but it is what it is. Hi mom, bye mom, hi mom, bye mom. So guess what we're doing today? We're at Venice Beach. I'm dead tired, mom's tired, YANA'S tired, but let's see what's inside. What is that, black bear?
Gummy bear.
Oh my god.
Look, Toro, everything has balls.
Everything is balls.
Yeah, that's what I just saw.
Ew!
Dingleberries.
Wait, what is that? Look. Look at this candy. Look at this. Dingleberries. Oh my god.
What? Yeah, you should get that for Robin.
For Rob. Hi, Rob. What in the world?
No way. No.
Oh, no way. Robin, look. It's a dick in a box. So, look what Jana got me. Look at this big
world's smallest gummy bear.
Look at this big ass freaking gummy bear though. Fuck.
Oh, the boardwalk? Yeah. You guys want to go on a beer?
It's good. I'm on Venice Beach and I'm wearing this. Who in their right mind goes to Venice Beach like that?
Some people stand in the darkness, afraid to step into the light. Some people need...
Oh my god, forget it. I'm dead.
Now this is for my trainer, Richard. I'm at Muscle Beach. I'm not working out. In Venice, I'm not working out, Richard. I'm not doing it. Nope.
rights to that music, thank you. But I do own these dollars. Right after you give them to me, I take all this money. Thank you so very much. Happy fucking New Year. So Adore, how long have we known each other?
Probably about like 6-7 years. That's the first time
Maybe like 10 or 11 years. Keep smoking more weed, bitch. Now this hair you were gonna see for the next 50-some more other weeks. Yes, I spent a long time picking this out. Okay. Now, oh! Girl, what's going on? Are you good? Okay. Nice and wet. Toss it back. Swallow.
Oh, Lord.
Like Dad taught you. And then we're going to say Feliz Cumpleaños. So on the count of 3, chupalaputas. 1, 2, 3.
Chupalaputas!
Go, putas. Valerie.
Oh!
Abraham.
Thank you, baby.
Can we get on a count of 3 a We Love You Detox? 1, 2, 3! We love you, Detox!
Fuck off!
Yes, bitch.